You're gonna love the 2021 Ram 1500. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Ram 1500 delivers gritty towing capability, passenger-focused comfort and safety features, and surprising fuel efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, bed liner, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, remote engine start, electronic stability control, multi-zone AC. Don't do the job unless you can do it right. Drive the truck that has the capability you need, the Ram 1500.